Here we have the Owen Street Railroad crossing in Bonner, Montana. This is on the, I'm not sure what subdivision this is on again, since Montana Rail Link has boring names for their subdivisions, which is kind of stupid. This image has first signal here, it has a safe tram base. And here we have a safe tram gate mechanism. There's the emergency information. The dot number is 060392S. The lights are Harman 12 by 24 inch lights, and some for the side lights too with LEDs in them. I think dialect ball LEDs. And the bell is probably a safe tram type, a terminal signal type 2 electronic bell, and the gate lights are Rico gate lights. That way is facing west towards Missoula, and that way is facing east towards Helena and Bozeman. There's the relay case right there. Here's this signal. It has a safe tram base. It has a safe tram gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. The lights are even more, say, Harman 12 by 24 inch lights with more dialect ball LEDs. And the gate lights at this crossing, at this signal, are some more Rico gate lights. So yeah, that was the Owen Street Railroad crossing in Bonner, Montana, at milepost 113. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.